Therefore, be merciful and save our lives. You may not want to let the married gopis live, but why make the unmarried gopis cry? You already granted their desire when you stole their clothing, and you promised. You already granted, so it goes together. You may not want to let the married gopis live, but why make the unmarried gopis cry? You already granted the unmarried gopis their desire when you stole their clothing and promised. Sankalpa vidita sabdyo bhavatina madarchanam. O saintly girls, I understand your Katyayani vow was performed to attain me, and on the future nights I will enjoy with you. So this is what the gopis say. Now Krishna may reply, this is Krishna's reply, which Vishnu Chakravarti or Vinod Vallabhi Mandri is, now when he's giving these dialogues, these love talks, Prem Samlap, these love talks between Krishna and the gopis, to see that and to feel that and to realize that and to reveal that and share that with all of us, and to have that access and to have that adhikar and understanding, he has to enter his Siddha Sarup. So he's going in and out of his Siddha Sarup and his Sadhaka Rup. So whether acharyas are writing books of tattva and commentaries, or whether they're simply crying out in their stutis and stotrams and uttering prayers of lamentation like Vilap Kusumanjali, these liberated souls and great premi bhaktas, they're often transiting. They're transiting between their sadhaka rup in this world, in this realm, and their siddha rup in the spiritual realm, even when they're right here. So whether they're writing books of philosophy or rasa tattva or lila tattva and commenting, or whether it's simply crying out prayers, because they're crying out, praying, oh, when will I see you, when will I see you? Then they may see and have a sporty. Oh, I saw you, I was brushing your hair, I was just holding your hair in my left hand and carefully and gently pulling your hair through the comb. I was so attentively doing it that I was thinking and feeling and making sure that not even one hair on your head would come out, because each hair on your head is more valuable to me than millions of my lives. So I was just holding your beautiful silky black hair and pulling a beautiful ivory comb, which is inset with gold and blue sapphires. And the name of that comb is Swastita. And I was pulling that comb through your hair, and suddenly I lost that vision. Ha Radhe, Ha Radhe. So they go from the Siddha Srup back to the Sadhaka Rup. This is in the writings of Vishwanath and Raghunath Das Goswami. So now in his Siddhadeya, because in his Siddhadeya, Vishnu Chakravarti is in his Siddhadeya, as Vinod Vallabhi Mandri, then I was there, I heard this thing happen and this person said that. What are you talking about? I was there directly, I heard, right in my ear. So now Vishwanath knows what he's talking about. The gopis said this. Now here's how Krishna replied. Oh, I gave those, listen gopis, hey Sakyam, Shuniye, I gave those unmarried gopis, those Brajakanyas, those virgins of Vrindavan, I gave them mercy by appearing on the last day of their Katyayani Brat as a personification of their Sankalpa. Their Sankalpa was, oh Katyayani, oh Yogamaya, give us Krishna. So I bypassed any intervention by my Yogamaya, or you could say I was manipulated by my own Yogamaya. And Yogamaya, rather than she going as an advanced party to my darshan, Yogamaya inspired me and arranged for me to personally go, because they didn't expect that. Every day they made a deity out of it. Every day the Brajakanyas made a murti out of sand, because this is one of the 8 types of murtis which are mentioned in 11th canto of Bhagavatam. One is made of sand, one is made of clay, one is made of jewels and wood. And there's the manasik murti that one establishes in their mind when they do meditation, or manasik seva. So we made a sand murti, there's a name for it, I can't remember. Rate murti or Renu murti, like Brajaraj, it's sand. And that was at Katyayani. And then we did full puja and full bhog offering, and then we offered prayers, and we offered arti. And we, from the beginning of our brat, in the Mrigashirsha month, we said, oh Katyayani, I'm going to worship you, I'm going to chant your mantra, your Ishta mantra, and I'm meditating on you as the mantra devata, and I have a sankalpa. I'm doing all this puja to please you and satisfy you, and I have a wish. If you're pleased, if you're satisfied, then make Krishna our husband. So Krishna himself came. So that's what he says. He says, I gave them mercy because of their worship of Katyayani. Now, for what reason should I give mercy to you? You didn't do anything. They worshipped me for 1 month. They only ate once a day, unspiced khichdi with no ghee and no anything, just rice and moong dal. And they went out in the freezing cold. And so you're saying, oh, like the Kanyakumaris, you gave mercy, you should give mercy to us. But I gave mercy because they worked hard to get it. They really worked hard, and they followed the Shastras, and they worshipped one of my energies. So I'm duty bound to uphold the Shastras, injunctions. But you're telling me, for why should I give you any mercy? You're telling me to be merciful without any reason. Now, Vishwanath in his Siddhaswarup is hearing what the gopis reply. So they start pitifully begging. All right, then just give us mercy without any reason. Now this is a nice phrase, because what qualification do we have to get mercy from Krishna? What qualification do we have? We have the lotus feet of our guru on our head, because we all have a guru. And so with those lotus feet, that's our only qualification, is Sri Guru Kripa, the mercy of Guru. That may attract the attention of Krishna and Radharani and Gauranga Mahaprabhu, and then we'll go forward and attain our perfection of our desired sankalpa.